Every single one of us is chasing it. That elusive feeling of joy, contentment, and meaning. We often believe happiness lies in the next promotion, a bigger house, or a viral moment. But what if everything you thought about happiness was fundamentally wrong? What if your brain has a surprising secret, an ancient craving that science has only just begun to uncover? For nearly a century, researchers at the Harvard Study of Adult Development have tracked the lives of hundreds of men, following them from adolescence into their 90s. They've measured everything imaginable: their health, their careers, their wealth, their relationships, even their brain scans. This isn't a short-term survey. It's an unprecedented journey through human lives. The findings, spanning over 85 years and generations of participants, are nothing short of mind-blowing. After decades of analysis, the study reached a singular, undeniable conclusion. The strongest predictor of long-term happiness and even physical health isn't fame, fortune, or career success. It's the quality of your close relationships. Think about that for a moment. Not the size of your bank account, not how many awards you've won, but the warmth and depth of your connections to others. People who reported being more satisfied in their relationships in their 50s were healthier in their 80s and even lived longer. Loneliness, conversely, was found to be as detrimental as smoking or alcoholism. This isn't just about having friends. It's about genuine connection, feeling seen, supported, and loved. It's about the people you can truly count on when the chips are down. Your brain, it turns out, thrives on belonging, on the intricate dance of human interaction. It's an ancient evolutionary drive, etched deep within our psyche. So, while you might be hustling for that next achievement, pause and reflect. Are you investing enough into relationships that actually act as the bedrock of your well-being? Science says these bonds aren't just a nice-to-have. They're the ultimate life hack for a happy, healthy, and long existence. Now that we know the external pillar, let's explore your internal landscape of happiness. Psychologist Sonia Lyubomirsky's pioneering research offers a fascinating happiness pie model. She suggests that roughly 50% of our happiness is determined by genetics, our inherited baseline. Another 10% comes from life circumstances like wealth, health, or marital status. But here's the truly empowering part. A full 40% of your happiness is determined by intentional daily activities, meaning nearly half of your potential joy is within your direct control. This isn't about being lucky. It's about actively cultivating happiness through choices you make every single day. However, there's a sneaky psychological phenomenon that often sabotages our pursuit of this 40%, the hedonic treadmill. Imagine you're on a treadmill, running hard, but the belt keeps moving, so you never actually get anywhere new. That's essentially what happens with our happiness when we rely on external circumstances. This theory was powerfully illustrated by Brickman and Campbell's 1971 study of lottery winners. You'd think winning millions would guarantee eternal bliss, right? The study found that within just 1 year, these life-changing jackpot winners returned to their baseline happiness levels. The initial euphoria faded, and everyday life, with its ups and downs, reasserted itself. The hedonic treadmill means we quickly adapt to new positives, whether it's a new car, a promotion, or a pay raise. The thrill is temporary. This isn't to say these things aren't enjoyable, but they don't provide lasting happiness. Our brains are incredibly efficient at normalizing new good things, always resetting and leaving us chasing the next fix. So, if winning the lottery won't do it, and our brains quickly adapt to new luxuries, what does sustainably boost that 40% of happiness within our control? Prepare for another mind-bending revelation from psychology: the profound impact of giving. A groundbreaking 2018 study published in Science magazine revealed something astonishing. Researchers across diverse cultures, from Canada to Uganda, found that spending money on others, even as little as $5, produced measurably greater happiness than spending the same amount on yourself. Think about that. It wasn't about the amount, it was the act. Participants reported higher levels of well-being after contributing to a charity, buying a friend coffee, or giving a small gift, compared to treating themselves to a similar personal expense. This isn't just anecdotal feel-good. It's a consistent, measurable boost in happiness. Why does this happen? When you give, your brain releases oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which fosters connection and trust. You also experience the helper's high, a sense of purpose and social connection. It reinforces a positive feedback loop. Giving makes you happy, so you want to give more, leading to more happiness. This isn't limited to money either. Giving your time, your attention, a genuine compliment, or an act of kindness can trigger the same powerful neurochemical response. Your brain isn't craving more stuff for itself. It's craving connection, purpose, and the powerful ripple effect of contributing to others' well-being. So, how do we translate these profound insights from psychology into a practical blueprint for your daily life? Remember, your happiness isn't a passive state. It's an active cultivation, a garden you tend with conscious effort and the right seeds. First, nurture your relationships like they are your most precious asset. Actively reach out to friends and family. Schedule dedicated, distraction-free time with loved ones. Practice active listening, asking meaningful questions, and expressing genuine appreciation. Even small, consistent efforts compound over time, building a robust network of support. Second, actively engage your 40% intentional happiness. This means practices like gratitude journaling, where you regularly reflect on what you're thankful for. It includes mindfulness and meditation, which train your brain to appreciate the present moment. Seek out flow states, activities where you're completely absorbed and lose track of time. Third, integrate pro-social behavior into your routine. Look for opportunities to give, however small. Buy the coffee for the person behind you, volunteer an hour of your time, offer a genuine compliment to a stranger. These micro acts of generosity create a powerful loop of positivity, benefiting both the giver and the receiver. Understanding these scientific truths changes everything. Happiness isn't found in a destination or a specific achievement. It's woven into the fabric of human connection, the power of intentional action, and the profound joy of contributing beyond yourself. It's a journey, not a static endpoint, and now you have a map. Your brain, it turns out, is wired for connection and contribution. It doesn't crave isolation and endless acquisition, but rather the rich tapestry of human experience and the genuine warmth of giving. The science is clear. Building a truly happy life is within your reach, starting today, with these powerful psychological insights.